a Glitz acrylic brush and pick up smaller beads. And we're gonna place this right in the middle of the nails. You can do it about 50% or 60% of the nails and blend it right here, make it nice and thin, not too thick. Wipe off your brush. And then we are going to using a belly of the bristles and blend it. You don't have to do really thick, just a thin. So this is perfect for beginners. You can able to achieve really easy, quick and simple. And then touch ups really quick, just a little bit. And it is really silky and easy to blend together. All right. So now you see that it's just thin. When you're doing with the clients, you do not have to worry it's like getting really thick because you are going to encap it with your crystal clears. So now I'm gonna submerging my brush into number 2 Young Peach. And keep in mind for all beginner, if you are start doing with liquid and powder ombre, you might have a little bit troubleshootings with how to get it perfect on the cuticle area and then ombre at the same time. So do not worry, do not panic. I did it as a first a long time ago too. I having a hard time to blending it out. So here's some cool tip and trick I will share with you. I'm gonna pick up 2 beads. So then when you get the master of your 2 beads, you can definitely go in and get 1 bead as you prefer. But first bead, I am going to place it right above on the metal grays. And when it's still wet, I am going to flatten my brush like just a parallels with the nails and using the bristles of my brush and blend it, okay? Really feather touch. You treat it like, you know, just feather touch, soft touch, and wipe off your brush really clean off on the paper towel and submerge it again into the monomers and blend it again. So do not worry and then panic, oh my god, it's gonna be dry. It's not. So just blend it and don't let it run over places. And submerging a brush again. Every single time you submerge your brush back into the monomer, you are going to wipe off your brush to clean all that excess powder, so then your brush will stay nice and clean for you when you pick up the powder. So second beads, we are going to tuck right into the cuticles area. So this is the chance for you to perfect the cuticle area without worry about ombre part. And the second bead, and pick smaller and clean it right there. Just pick up just a little bit to blend, as you see. So now I am going to cap this with crystal clear. Just a medium beads, and we are going to do is cap right in the middle. You can cap completely the nails if you prefer. Wipe off the brush really well on the side. Tilt the nails down. And taper all the powders and guided it, tilt it down, guide it toward to the tips of the nails. The gravities will take care of it, so you don't have to. Only you need to do a motion is going from the side to the side, and really a feather soften touch and guide in the middle. to keep the nice shape of the nails. That's it, and that's what you get. The first nail for is ombre.